If you will throw a die, one will come, two will come, three will come, four will come, or five will come, या six will come. Do you know?
No, sir.
नहीं पता आपको?
No, sir. We can only guess that the number will come.
Yes, yes.
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 एक बेबी का बर्थ होना है. एक बेबी का क्या है? बर्थ होना है. आपको पता है कि बेबी गर्ल होगा या बेबी बॉय होगा?
No, sir. No, sir.
ये कैसे?
So we can guess.
यस, एक एग्जांपल कैसे लग रहा है आपको? कि आप क्या है, सिर्फ क्या है, एज ए प्रोबेबल केस, प्रोबेबिलिटी फील कर रहे हो कि हाँ ये हो सकता है, ये हो सकता है. ओके, तो इट इज क्या है? इट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी. ये क्या है? प्रोबेबिलिटी है. ओके
Okay, sir.
यस. अब देखिए, next topic is probability. Are you able to watch the screen?
Yes, sir.
And okay, probability is yes, number of possible outcomes. Number of all possible outcome upon
Sir, not coming.
number of all possible outcome upon total number of possible outcome. Number of possible outcome upon total number of all possible outcome. Total number of all possible outcome. Some example of probability. Example of probability. Yes, first, it may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. Second, when a coin is thrown, head will come. When a coin will throw, head will come. Very fast.
Sudden.
Okay, very fast.
Done.
Yes. What is impossible event?
Sir, tomorrow sun is rise from west.
Impossible event. Yes.
Sir, that cannot
Sun will rise from west. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The earth will rotate from अर्थ कैसे रोटेट करती है?
Sir, anti-clockwise.
Sir, anti-clockwise.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. The moon revolve around the sun. Moon revolve around the sun. Now we will write sun will revolve around the moon. Possible?
No, sir. No, sir.
The sun will revolve around the sun, around the moon, around the moon, around the moon. Because sun is stationary, sun is stationary, sun don't move, sun don't move, sun don't move, moon revolve around the sun. It is impossible event. Sun will rise from west. It is impossible. Sun will revolve around the moon. It is impossible. In impossible event, probability will be 0. Okay. In a not. In impossible event. In impossible event, probability will be 0. Will be 0. Yes. Next is your sure event. Next is your, have you done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Next is
Yes,
your
sir.
sure event. Sure event.
No, sir. Not sure about it.
Sure event. Sure event. The sun will rise from east. The sun will rise from east. It is a sure event. So probability of sure event will be 100%. ये होगा ही होगा. ये तो होगा ही होगा. 100%. So the probability will be 1. Yes, not. Probability of a sure event, probability of a sure event will always be
Always be
1. Will always be 1. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Yes. Just I am asking a question to you.
Please show the screen.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. First listen my question. After that think about it and give the response. Okay.
Okay, sir.
One.
Okay, sir.
In a cricket match, football match, hockey match, have you seen it ever before?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Before starting the match, there will be a toss. Toss होता है कि नहीं होता है?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
then why we will use a coin for toss? हम toss के लिए coin का use क्यों करते हैं?
Sir, because coin does not have a permanent in my head or it will come tail only. There is no sure that it will come head or tail.
वो तो ठीक है हेड और टेल आ रहा है लेकिन हम क्या coin को use क्यों करते हैं? ऐसा क्या रीजन है उसमें?
Sir, because no one could consider this something of being
Sir, it does not have any surety. Because I had.
Yeah. Who is saying 50%?
Does not have sure event.
Yes, who is saying 50%? Karnika? Yes, 50%. In tossing a coin, there is equal chance for both teams to win the toss. Okay? So the probability will be equally half and half. Probability will be half and half. Winning the toss, Indian team 1/2, and winning the toss, Austrian teams 1/2. 50% chance. 50% means 50/100. That is 1/2. Okay? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir.
Yes. Now, probability of happening an event. Yes. Not probability of happening an event plus probability of not happening an event. मैंने इसमें ई बार लगा रखा है. क्या लगाया मैंने? ई बार. ई बार means not happening an event is equal to 1. Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. Probability of winning the toss of Indian cricket team is 50%. Not 100% chance. 100% chance नहीं है वहाँ पे. हार भी सकती है टीम. Okay. तो probability of winning the
Okay, sir.
probability of winning the toss is 50%. 50%. And probability of losing the toss will be, we have to find out. Now 50% means 50/100, and probability of losing the toss we have to find out. That is 1/2. That is probability of losing the toss. Probability of not winning the toss. E bar means probability of E means winning the probability of winning the toss. And probability of E bar means probability of not winning the toss. Not winning the toss.
Probability of not winning the toss.
Not winning the toss. But what will be? Please tell me. LCM is 2. 2 minus 1, it becomes 1/2. It means probability of winning the toss 1/2. Probability of losing the toss 1/2. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
समझ में आया कि है?
Yes, sir.
Probability of
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, actually it was a network glitch. Can you explain it again?
Yes.
Sir, it was a network glitch. Can you explain it again?
Explain it again. Okay. Yes. Probability of happening an event. एक कोई इवेंट हमने क्या करनी है? हैपन करनी है. इसे हमने कोई टॉस क्या है? विन करना है. और probability of happening an event, probability of not happening an event is equal to 1. It means probability of winning the toss is 50% chance, and we don't know what is the probability of not winning the toss. That is probability of E bar. Probability of E bar is equal to 1. Okay. So there is 50% chance to win the toss. 50% means 50/100. 50/100. Now plus probability of not winning the toss, that is equal to 1. Now 50/100 it becomes 1/2, and we have to find out the probability of E bar. E bar means probability of not winning the toss, that is equal to 1. Now probability of not winning the toss, that is equal to 1 minus 1/2, and we will solve it and find out the probability of not winning the toss, that is equal to 1/2. Any doubt, any problems? Okay. Have you done up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We are
May I erase it?
question and notebook.
May I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Your next point is second point. Probability of an event is equal to 0, greater than 0, equal to 1, but less than 1. Probability जो किसी भी इवेंट की probability can be 0, equal to 1, greater than 1, नहीं sorry, greater than 0 but less than 1. Probability 0 हो सकती है, 1 हो सकती है, 0 और 1 की मिसलाई कर सकती है. Okay?
Sir, 0 over.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I am saying that yes, probability of an event true false, true and false. Please tell me that true and false. True and false. Probability of an event is minus 0.05. First part. Second part is probability of an event is 1.5. Third part, probability of an event is 0.75 and probability of an event is 4/3. Yes. And probability of an event is 3/4 and probability of an event is -7/5. Yes, please tell me. One by one.
Sir,
First,
first one is true.
true.
Sir, false.
Sir, false.
Sir, false.
Why?
Sir, false.
Why?
Sir, because the minus.
It is
Sir, because there is a silent minus.
Yes. Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Probability can never be negative. Okay? Probability can never be less than 0. Probability कभी भी क्या है less than 0 नहीं होगी. And greater than 0. Probability will never be greater than 1 and less than 0. कभी भी less than 0 नहीं होगी, कभी भी greater than 1 नहीं होगी. Probability 0 हो सकती है, probability 1 हो सकती है, probability 0 और 1 के बीच लाई कर सकती है, 0 और 1 के बीच में लाई कर सकती है. Probability of an event can be 0. Probability of an event can be 1. Probability of an event lie between 0 and 1. Okay? Yes. I hope that all the student will understand it and you will give the correct answer. Okay? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell me it is false.
Yes, sir.
Your next is
Sir, false.
why? Why?
Because it's greater than 1.
Okay. Listen. Minute of silence. Listen to me. Probability of an event 1/5. That is false because probability of an event can never be greater than 1. False. Yes.
Sir, next is true.
True. Why?
Sir, because it is between 0 and 1. And this less than 0 is greater
Yes.
than less than 1.
0.75 lie between 0 and 1. So it is true. Okay? It is. Next one.
Sir, it is true.
Why?
It is true.
4/3 is. 4 by 3. If your numerator is greater than denominator, your probability will be false because the answer will be greater than 1. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Will be right.
It can be written as 4 by 3 can be written as that is 1.3
Yes, sir.
and it is greater than 1. So it is false.
It is false.
Yes. It is
True.
why?
Sir, it is true.
Why?
Sir, because the numerator is less than the denominator and it comes between
This line, this probability lie between 0 and 1. So the statement is true.
true.
Okay.
True.
This is
True.
right.
This is false.
True.
This is false.
Listen.
Sign.
Listen. What is going in the class? As you know that probability can never be negative. Probability can never be negative. There is a minus sign. Minus sign. As you know that there is a minus sign and you are saying that is correct. It is true. It is true. What is going in the class?
So we saying false. So we are saying false.
Some students are saying true.
False.
Some student in the class is saying that is true.
Sir, this is a negative.
Yes, it is negative sign. It will be false.
Yes, sir.
Probability can never be negative. Then why are you saying it is true? Who is saying? Try to understand the concept. I am saying you again and again, probability can never be negatives. Probability can never be greater than 1. When you will sit in the examination, there will be no time to thinking. आप इतना टाइम नहीं होता सोचने का आपके पास. Okay? You will give the Olympiad, you will give the NTSC exam. Okay?
Okay, sir.
It is false. It is false. Because probability can never be negative. Okay? Yes.
Okay, sir.
It is minus. So minus probability can never be negative. Have you done or not?
Done.
Okay. Now my next concept is. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes. My next concept is third one. आपके पास एक ही क्वेश्चन में 3 इवेंट्स हैं. Probability of first events, probability of second event, and probability of third event. जो सम होगा वो इक्वल टू 1 होगा. आपके पास एक ही क्वेश्चन में कितने इवेंट्स हो, सभी को अगर ऐड करेंगे तो उनका सम कितना आएगा? 1 आएगा. ओके?
Yes, sir.
यस. नाउ नेक्स्ट is outcome or sample space. Next topic is sample space. Third one depend on the questions. Okay. Yes. I am taking two In examples, I am taking two events. I am throwing a die. Throwing a die. Yes. And your outcome will be sample space. Sample space will be, when you will throw a dice, sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total outcome will be, please tell me. How many outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 outcomes.
Sir, 6 outcome.
Yes.
6 outcome.
Yes. Please tell me probability of an odd number. How many odd number are there? Odd number is 1, 3 and 5.
3.
1, 3 and 5 are odd number. Out of 6 number, 3 numbers are odd numbers. So total number are 6 and your odd number are 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. This probability is 1 by 2. Okay. Now probability of an even number. Even number. Please tell me.
Then there are 3
Even number is that is even number, that is even number, that 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. So probability of first event, probability of sum of probability of first event plus probability of second event, what will be the LCM is 2, 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 2 and it becomes 1. Okay.
That is 1.
Yes. When you will start the chapter, you will find in that in each and every step, you will add the events, the sum will be equal to 1. Okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, next topic is my sample space. Now your time is over. This is my next period in 10th class. Okay.